Yeah, we just eating us a little Dairy Queen. Kids over there tearing it up. Neil, come show them what kind of ice cream you got. You got cotton candy. Do it taste like cotton candy? Sam, what kind you got? M&M. So Sam got M&M. Neil got cotton candy. And I got Reese's Take 5. Yeah, probably you better take it because y'all ice cream. Tastes just like cotton candy. Mm. So I just fight me. You got that on.
I know you're looking at me. I know you're finna look at me.